After that, guys, what we will be doing is like we will be moving ahead and we will be trying to see like how this TCP and the UDP they will be, or the HTTP we are having, we will be able to find them with the help of your Wireshark over there. Right. So let me show you first the three-way handshake we are having. All right. So I will be removing this filter from here and it is still running. Right. So as I was saying that we can also save the information. So for it, what we are having is we are having the option like the, you can say the file over there. We are having the save as. For that, what we have to do is we just need to, you can say stop it, right? And then you can see it is getting highlighted over there. We are having the save as, and from here, guys, you will be finding that what we will be able to do is we will be able to save it inside of our system so that later on when we have to, you can say, perform the analysis, we will be able to find the information about it. Continue without saving. I do not want to save the content over there, right? So over here, guys, what I will be doing is I'm having this machine with the name of your, you can say the metasploitable that is present over there, right? We are having the machine with the name of the metasploitable. So let me find the IP address we are having for it. So for that, guys, what I will be doing is I will be performing like the ARP scan. Right. So with the help of this ARP scan, we will be able to capture the ARP cache we are having. And from here, we are finding the information that the target's IP it is your 135. Now, for it, guys, what I will be doing is I'm going to use my tool that is we are having as the nmap, the network mapper. Right. So with the help of this nmap, guys, what will be happening is we will be able to find the vulnerabilities we are having in our network over there. We will be able to find the information, what are the ports, the services that are running inside of our target system. Right. So for that, what we will be doing is we are just going to write. We just need to, you can say, write the IP address, right? Write the option -st, right? So the -st option we are having when we want to, you can say, tell to our this nmap over there that it has to perform like the full connect scan we are having. The full connect scan means to say that what it will be doing is it is going to follow our the TCP three-way handshake we are having. Right now, over here, guys, what we are having is in our nmap, we can also provide the information for which particular port I want to, you can say, perform the scanning over there. Now, I do not want to create like a big traffic over there. So for that, what I will be doing is I will be just looking for a single port. That is what I'm going to use as the port number 21. Right now, after that, what I will be doing, I will be hitting enter, right? And it has even given us the information. Now, if I will be going back to our Wireshark, right, you guys can see what we are having is we are having the SYN, we got the SYNAC over there, we are having the acknowledgement, and in the last we are having the reset act. In that, whatever this Kali machine, what it is doing is it is resetting this particular connection over there. Right. So from there, if you guys want to find the more detailed information inside of it, like what is happening inside of it, so what we can do is we can also follow the TCP stream and we can go through the streams over there and we will be able to find the information like what is happening. Right. But since what we were doing was like we were not performing any type of communication directly, we were not trying to send her any type, we were not trying to send any type of information over there. So that is why we are not finding the information. But if I will be showing you the acknowledgement, see, we are having we are also having the sequence number, we are having the acknowledgement over there. So guys, with the help of them, what will be happening is like we will be able to, can say, make our data, right, that is getting broken into the small pieces. We will be providing them the sequence number. So using that, what will be happening is we will be having a standard for our the packets, that is what we are receiving. It is providing us the information that the source port it is your 21, the destination we are having this, right, and from there it will be providing us the information about it. right? Along with that, what I can do is like, let me go ahead and let me generate some more traffic over there. Like over there, what will be happening is like, let's say if in our network, right? If in our network over there, someone is trying to perform like this port scanning, because with the help of this port scanning, you guys can see like the attacker, he is able to find the information like that particular port it is open, what is the service that is running, and what I can do is I can also see the information about the service version, right? I can also see the information about the vulnerabilities over there by running our scripts, right? So from here, you guys can see we are having the service version that it is providing us, that it's saying that it is your very secure FTP daemon 2.3.4, right? It is providing us the information that the anonymous login is allowed. Right. So in that particular scenario, guys, what we have to do is we have to can say make sure that we are able to can say filter out. Right. We are able to can say filter out the information that someone is trying to perform, like the TCP scan over there. The TCP full connect scan, someone is trying to perform it. So for that, guys, what we can do is like over here and our Wireshark, we can in our Wireshark, what we can do is we can simply provide a filter over there, and with the help of the filter, what it will be doing is it will be able to provide us the information whether someone is performing like the TCP scan or not. Right. So guys, in that particular scenario, what we will be doing is we will be simply writing the information, right? Like we will be writing that the TCP. We have to make sure that we are not having the typo, otherwise it is not going to work, right? We will be writing TCP dot flags dot SYN, right? That is the very first packet we are sending, right? The SYN over there, that is what I was saying, that it is going to work as a hello, right? And I'm going to specify that, yeah, it has been, you can say it is available over there. So with the help of that, what it will be doing is if I will be just hitting enter, it will be providing me the only the SYN requests that are available, right? SYN, SYNAC, SYN, SYNAC, SYN, SYNAC over there, right? So from here, we are able to find the information that boss, someone is trying to send us the SYN request over there, and in response to that, we are also giving the reply. But if you do not want to see the SYNAC, if you just want to see the SYN, you can say over there. So in that particular scenario, what you can do is you can also write TCP.flags dot acknowledgement equals to, right? And what you can do is you can write the information as 0, right? Where we are going to, you can say, specify, right? What we will be doing is we are going to, can say, specify over there that what is happening is the acknowledgement flag it is not set, right? So over there we can write like the and like this, or other than that, what we can do is we can also give the logical ends over there. So with the help of them, we can also find the information, right? Only we are having the SYN request, only just the SYN request. So the reason, guys, why we are, you can say, looking for only the SYN request, because what is happening is we are also having a DOS attack over there, right? We are also having a protocol based a DOS attack over there, guys. So in that, what the attackers they will be doing is they will be performing like the SYN flood attack. So that is why what we can do is we can see only the SYN request with the help of choosing it. Now, if you want to see the information about the SYN as well as the acknowledgement, right? So over here, we can see just the SYN act. That is whatever machine it is replying to it. Right. So with the help of that, what is happening is we are specifically able to filter out the information that whether someone is performing the TCP full connect scan or not. Right. And if you want to specify the window size, we can also do it over there. Right. Now, that is what we were having when we are talking about this TCP over there. Right. That is what we are having when we are talking about this TCP. Now, after that, guys, we are also having the UDP. Right. We were also talking about the UDP over there. Now, in that particular scenario, what I want to do is I want to find the information about the UDP, guys. So for that, I will be writing instead of T, that is what we were having for the TCP, we are going to write U for the UDP. And then instead of looking for a specific port number, let me do one thing. Let me write the F over there, right? So with the help of this F, what will be happening is we will be able to perform like the fast scan over there, right? We are finding like the UDP over there. Or let me do one thing in our UDP, I can also specify the port range also. Let me stop it because it is going to take a time. When we are performing like the port scanning guys, like although the UDP is a fast one, but when we are performing like the port scanning, it will be slow because it is not having a handshake. So let me specify the port number from your 1 till your 100, right? We'll be hitting enter. Now it will be just specifically looking for the port number from a 1 till your 100 over there. And from there, it will be trying to provide us the information. So let's see what type of information we are going to get from here. Like over there, what we are having is we are having the IDS, we are having the IPS solutions over there. So what we can do is we can create the rules inside of them, and with the help of that, what will be happening is like we will be able to detect, as well as we will be able to prevent these, you can say, the scans over there. Now over here guys, when we are looking into the results, what is happening is like from here we are finding the information, right? From there what is happening is we are finding the information about the UDP packets over there. But what will be happening is when we are talking about the UDP guys, our nmap, what it will be doing is, since it is not having a handshake, so we will be sending the UDP packet in each and every protocol we are having, the port number we are having, if they will be providing us a reply. If they will be providing us a reply under a minute over there, so over there that particular reply, it is going to be your ICMP, right? That particular reply, it is going to be the ICMP over there, like the destination unreachable. And using that, we will be able to understand that particular port it is not open. So for that, what we are having is we are having this UDP over there. Great. Now, after that, what I will be doing is I'm going to stop it because it is going to take a lot of time. And then what we will be doing is, guys, we will be now trying to find the information about the HTTP we are having. We just have to provide the information about the interface. Now, if I will be going in my browser, right, and I will be trying to look for a site over there. So over here, guys, let me show you a site that is running the HTTP over there, right? So over here, you can see our Wireshark, what it is doing is it is capturing the information, right? If I will be going back to it, I will be trying to sign in. I will be providing the credential. That is what we are having as the admin, ADMIN, admin. And you guys can see we have gotten the access of it. But if we will be going into our Wireshark over there, right? If we will be going into our Wireshark, so from here, what will be happening is we will be also able to find the information, because what we are having is we are having the HTTP methods over there. The request methods we are having, like we are having the GET, right? We are having like the post over there, right? So in the GET, what we will be doing is whenever we are trying to ask for any services from a particular site over there, so at that time we will be using like the GET over there. But when we want to can say post something, right? When we want to can say post some information over there inside that particular site in that particular database over there, then for that we are using like the post. And guys, when we are putting our credential over there, what we are doing is we are also posting it over there, right? It is not getting updated inside the database. We are just posting it so that in the database it can cross check, and from there it will be able to find the information whether they are the genuine one or not. If yes, then we will be getting the access. Otherwise, it is not going to allow us to get the access. Now, from here, we will be using a filter. That is what we are having as the HTTP dot request dot method equals to post. We'll be hitting enter, guys, and from here what you can see is we are having like these multiple requests over there. HTTP stream, and from here now, as I was previously saying, that like over there, guys, with the help of our Wireshark we are able to find the information about the host, the language. It can also provide us the information what is the encoding that is getting used, right? We can also find the information about the session ID, right? And along with that we are also able to find the information about the server name, that is your Apache Coete, and we are also able to find the version of it, right? So over here, if I will be going ahead and I will be decrypting, right, I will be decoding these session IDs over there. So guys, what will be happening is we will be also able to find the credentials that are being used, right? Now I will be just going through the streams over there, right? And what will be happening is we will be able to find the information about our the credentials which we have given. We are also having the option of your find, right? I can also write admin directly, will be hitting enter, and from here what it will be doing is it will be trying to provide us the information over there, like where this admin it is present, right? But over here, guys, what is happening is when we are going through this particular, you can say the Wireshark, we are going through over this HTTP protocol over there, right? We are able to find the information about them, but it is not going to happen, right? It is not going to happen when we are talking about our when we are talking about this HTTPS over there. Because inside of our HTTPS, what will be happening is over there, we will be having all those information. It will be moving into the encrypted manner, right? So using that, we won't be able to can say find the information, right? And even the attacker, if he is able to can say, even the attacker, if he is able to can say intercept the request, he won't be able to understand what is written inside of it, right? Along with that, what will be happening is, guys, over here, when we are talking about this Wireshark, right? When we are talking about this Wireshark over there, what we can do is like we can also go ahead, right? What we can do is we can also go ahead over there and we can look for, right? We can also look for the statistics we are having, right? We can also check the graph of our flow, like how those you can see the packets they were, like how our machines they were communicating with each other with the help of this the graph over there, right? From here we can choose whatever packet that is what we are looking for, hit the enter, and you guys can see from here we will be able to find the information, the sequence number, the acknowledgement number we are having, and many more, right? Along with that, what we can do is we can also go ahead, like if I will be going ahead and I will be removing this filter, right? So what will be happening is, guys, over here when we are looking into this traffic, right, what will be happening is we can also use our coloring, right? What we can do is we can also use the coloring over there. So with the help of this coloring, what will be happening is with the help of this coloring over there, what will be happening is we can give the different colors for the different packets we are having. So on the basis of that, what will be happening is we will be able to filter out the information quite, you can say, clearly over there. Right along with that, what we can do is these are the default one. If you want to add some, you can just click on this add, and from there you will be able to can say find the information about them, right? Along with that, what we can do is like over there, guys, when we are talking about like the filters, right? When we are talking about the filters of our this Varsha, guys, so in that particular scenario, what we are having is we are having like the two types of filters. We are having the capture filter, we are having the display filter. Okay, see, guys, when we are talking about these two types of filter, that is what we are having as the capture or we are having as the display. So talking about the first one, that is what we are having the capture filter. That is what we are using over there, right? So guys, the capture filter means to say that what we will be doing is we are going to apply them when we are capturing the traffic, when we are talking about the real time scenario over there, right? So with the help of that, we will be able to control which packets are captured from the network. You can see the interfaces. We will be able to specifically see them. Whereas when we are talking about the display filter, guys, so in that particular scenario, what we are going to do is we are going to apply them after we have captured the particular traffic over there. So with the help of that, we will be able to see only the information which will be specific to our requirement over there. So with the help of that, we will be able to look into a specific data over there. Right, so that is what we are having as the display filter and the capture filter. When we are talking about this, you can say the telephony option. So inside of it, when we are talking about this telephony, right, so the telephony, it is what it is like an option we are having in our Wireshark. So with the help of that, we will be able to analyze, right, we will be able to, you can say, analyze over there our voice, our, you can say, the video communications we are having, like out of them we are having like this VoIP over there, the voice over internet protocol, right? So using this particular, you can say, the protocol, or using this particular option over there, what we can do is we can set up, right, we can see through the, you can say, the protocols over there, like what is happening inside of this VoIP, right? Like when we are talking about this VoIP over there, right, so what it can do is it can provide us the information about, like the, like when we have, you can say, set up that particular call, right, or like what was the duration over there, right? Along with that, it can also help us to get the analysis of that particular whole call over there, right? Like we can get the audio streams over there, like the playbacks we are having, right? We can also decode them over there, right? So guys, over here we are using this telephony over there. So with the help of that, we will be able to see the issues we are having, right, in our the call over there, right? Or what we can do is we can also see the information about the dropped calls we are having, right? Like a tapping we are having. But as I was saying previously, our Wireshark, it is not going to make any type of changes over there, right? When we are talking about the Wireshark, it is not like a IDS system, right? It is not going to warn us when someone will be performing any type of the strange actions over there in our network. That boss, you are not allowed to perform that. Right. Instead of that, what it will be doing is, like if any type of incident will be occurring, any, you can say, the malicious things will be occurring in our network over there. So in that particular scenario, our Wireshark, it can help us to figure out, right? It can help us to, you can say, figure out like what is really going on over there. Right. Along with that, as I was saying previously, our Wireshark, it is not going to, you can say, alter the things in our network, right? What it will be doing is it is not going to alter the things, it is not going to manipulate the things we are having in our network. Instead of that, it will be helping us to look into that, right? It will be helping us to measure the things from there, right? It is not going to send the packets on our network, right? It is not going to perform any type of, you can say, other actions over there. Instead of that, it will be helping us to find the information, like what is going on,